There are a lot of student groups. There's like the American Medical Women's Association and AMSA and the Surgical Students Association and several others. And a lot of them host events throughout the semester, so it gives you something else to come and do. Like I know the Surgical Association, we do like sutures and intubation and things like that.
It's always very lively. There's always things to do. And if you just come to campus one day, you're just gonna, run into someone you know and you're gonna do something. So it's just a fun time.
My favorite thing about campus is that since it is a smaller school, like all of the students, whether they're upperclassmen or underclassmen, or you could just ask anybody anything and they're always willing to give you like some sort of advice.
I like how close-knit and small the campus is. There's always something going on. Like you can always go to the cafeteria and there's always people playing games. I know there's always chess going on around here. It's super fun. The surgery club always has events going on. So it's a good time.